Hey there, everyone. I'm going to try and do this workout video in one take, rather than editing over. But we'll see how it goes. So we're going to do today our third type of workout. Now we've done multiple workouts, but so far we've done the basic circuit training based on repetitions and sets. So that's do 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, 10 squats, and then repeat. And you do it at your own pace. If you take breaks in between, go and grab water. Really, the length of time is completely up to you. It just gives you a workout and how many times to do it. And that's the basic one that we started with. And then we went on to do high intensity interval training. That's the workouts that we did for the past two exercise videos. So that's whenever it's not based on repetitions. So remember, repetitions is do 10 push-ups. That's the rep, 10 reps. And then a set is how many times. So high intensity interval training isn't based on repetitions. It's based on time. So you have 20 seconds to do as many push-ups as you want to do or can do. The pace in which you push yourself, the intensity level is completely up to you. So last couple weeks we did high intensity interval training, and now this week we're going to do superset training. Now superset training I know sounds a little intimidating, but personally I don't find superset training as draining as high intensity interval training. So I've got the workout written here, as you can see with my kind of messy writing. Basically what it is we choose some workouts that we're going to do, some exercises, and we pair them together. And versus high intensity interval training and just a basic circuit training where you get little rests in between, this one you just go straight through. So for this workout, we're going to do mostly exercises that we've already gone over, but we're going to add in one new one. So the exercises that we're going to do is plank, a side plank on the right side, that's the one we haven't done, as well as a side plank on the left side. So it'll go plank, side plank right, plank, side plank left. And now of course you can set up a timer or anything, but basically all I'm going to be doing this workout is counting to 10. So holding the plank, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then rather than taking a break and going on to my next exercise, I'm just going to go straight into the side plank. So I'll show you how it's done. I'll show it to you now. So if I go over to my yoga mat, sorry, I just actually got there we go. That's better. Okay, so if I go onto my yoga mat, we all know the plank. So this is the plank. Side plank left is just like this. I'm on my left side. I'm keeping my hip off the ground and I'm holding it. And then I go back into plank. So if we were to do one superset of this, it would be plank, hold for 10. I'm just going to do 5 seconds, just to speed it up for showing it. Then I go straight into side plank left. This might be a flipped camera, so it might look like side plank right. Unless I'm on the left side, hold it for 5, and then rather than taking a break, go straight in to plank, and then I'm about to turn my back on you because I'm about to do a side plank right, and I hold it. And then I go straight into the normal plank. So that progression that we just did there would be 1. We're going to do that 2 times with no breaks. I'm gonna walk up, get a little closer. Okay, so that's the first one. The next superset is push-ups and sit-ups. We know push-ups, we know sit-ups. We've done both of them. Push-up, you can do from the toes or from the knees. If you're really feeling crazy, you can find space like a couch or a chair or something, and you can do elevated push-ups even. You can put your toes up, like so. You can even do like this. If you want, or you can go like this. If you want, or you can do from the knees, like this. We're going to do 10 reps of that. And then 10 reps of sit-ups. Once again, we're not taking a break in between. So we'll do push-ups, sit-ups, push-ups, sit-ups, push-ups, sit-ups. That's the second superset. So in between each superset, you can take a break. So you're going to do the plank superset, then the push-up, sit-up superset, and then we're going to do burpees, mountain climbers superset. So basically, what we're looking at here is the first two. A little closer. The first two supersets. It's getting the muscles engaged. Even though push-ups is a pectoral workout, it's also working out the abs, the abdominals. Really, these first two, they're focusing in on a abdominal workout. You should get your heart rate a little up, but it's not exhausting whenever we look at it from a cardiovascular standpoint. This next superset, it's short, but now it's still focusing a little bit on the abdominals, but it's getting a little bit more of the bigger muscle groups in the legs. And we should kind of get our heart rate up for this final superset. So just as a reminder, a burpee is you're just going to stand, jump, go down, and up. Now, sorry, I just did push-up burpees there. It should just be regular burpee. You can do a push-up burpee, but we'll just focus on regular burpee. So you're jumping up. So that's a burpee. And then a mountain climber is you just hold yourself in almost an elevated plank position. Then you bring one knee up, next knee up. Now, if this is the pace that you're comfortable with, that is definitely okay, but whatever pace you're gonna go. And now, rather than in the HIIT training, you just do it for a amount of time. This one, we're going to do 20 mountain climbers. So one mountain climber is just this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're gonna do 20 of those, and then you're going to do 10 burpees, and you're going to do that 2 sets. So 10 burpees, 20 mountain climbers, 10 burpees, 20 mountain climbers. And that's your third and final superset. So I'll just come up here. Oh, that's my guard dog, keeping the house safe. So right here is it. It's a little messy writing. This is the workout we're going to do. First superset, second superset, third superset. You can take a break in between each one. Make sure you get some water beforehand. And if you just want to go and do it on your own now, that's completely okay. If you want to follow along, I'm about to do the full workout. Okay. So, I'm actually going to put this here for me to see. First superset Plank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That plank left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side plank. Normal plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the first set done. Now we're going into the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Done part 1 of 3. Now, 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, 3 times. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm right into sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm right into push-ups. That's that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm right into sit-ups. Now taking breaks in between these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and right back into push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and right into sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can grab some water. If you want, or if you want to go straight into the final superset, you're going to do 10 burpees, 20 mountain climbers, 2 times. So as you can tell, this is a fast workout. You're getting a lot of reps in. So I'm just catching my breath for a moment. You're getting a lot of reps in a short amount of time. So 10 burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm right into 20 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. I'm right into burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm right into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew, I'm a little out of breath. Quite out of breath, actually. So then, that's the end. Whew. After completing the workout, make sure you go and get water, catch your breath, and then I'll run over a couple of stretches that we can do afterwards. So I go over here. First stretch, we've done this one before, but just the basic. Put your heel just in front, point your toe to the sky, keep your back straight, keep your leg as straight as you can, and just lean forward. You should feel stretch kind of right in your hamstrings. We'll hold for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now we're going to switch sides. Whatever you do on one side, you always have to do on the other. So hold it for 20 seconds. And we're going to go onto the ground, lie down, put one leg out, bring the other leg to your chest, look up to the sky. Make sure you're not in an awkward position like this. You're lying down, look up to the sky. You will count to 20. 20 seconds is the magic number for stretching. And switch legs. And what you hear in the background is my bird. It's a green-cheeked conure. It's very noisy sometimes. His name is Jovi. And here's that one. And we'll do one more. Let's do where we just stand on one leg and we pull the heel to our behind. You can kind of lean forward, and you should really feel this one in the front part of your legs, your quads. And you hold for 20 seconds. Once again, magic number. I like 20 seconds because even if you count a little fast, you're still getting a good stretch in. And switch legs. Remembering, whatever you do on one side, always do it to the other. Whenever it comes to stretching or working out. Okay, shake out, get nice and loose, go and grab some more water, and that's your workout. Hope you all enjoyed, and take care.